Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to capture recordings, video recordings that are longer than just like 5 minutes or something like that. You can go all the way up to like 1 hour, I believe. So to do this is actually really easy. You have to put a little USB thumbstick in the front of your Xbox Series X, and then once you have that plugged in, you want to go on down to System and then go to Storage Devices. So you can see I have the SanDisk Ultra SC whatever disk drive right here. It's only like 14 gigabytes, so it's not very large. So once you have it plugged in, you can go to it and select A on it, and you want to set this as the capture location. And you might have to format this so it deletes everything on it, and then you can start installing specific captures on there for your video recordings. Otherwise, you might have to go over to your PC, and you have to format it to the NTFS format. I believe if it's like EXT or something like that, it's not going to work. It has to be NTFS. Then you can go to set capture location right here after you format it. This lets you capture longer clips and edit on your PC depending on the size of your storage device. Clips could be up to 60 minutes long. And then we can go to confirm, and the capture location is set. Now you can press the Xbox button, tab on over to where it says captures and shares, and we can go to capture settings, and we want to make sure the capture save location is switched over to our disk instead of internal storage. So you can see it's under the disk drive. Then we go to recordings right here, and we should be able to change the recording. So you might have to drop it down to, this one says 3 minutes max. So if you have a larger drive in there, you should be able to record longer now. So depending on the drive it's set, so this one is a really crappy drive. It only has like 13 gigabytes of free space available. So I probably don't have enough to record at the longer frequencies or the duration. So make sure you have a big enough drive to do this. Otherwise it's not going to work properly. But you can change everything over in here. You should have the option for one hour. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.